Well, here it is. This is the fully assembled Condor, the Air Force Condor 25 caliber air rifle. I have finally taken the time to set it up, and it is not yet quite ready to go because there is no compressed air in the tank, but I just wanted to take a couple minutes just to get it together, see what it looks like, and get the feel of it, and of course make sure that everything that I have ordered fits and doesn't need to be returned or anything like that. Sometimes I might hang on to items for a long time without actually using them, and may exceed the warranty or the warranty date, and that's usually not a good thing. The one thing that I did notice, and it was not totally unexpected, was the fitment of the thumb hole stock. Now, some online reviewers had claimed that it fits the newer models of the Condor and the spin-on compressed air tank. Unfortunately, it really doesn't, unless I'm actually putting it on improperly. It just didn't fit. Now, I have kind of rigged things so that it does kind of sort of fit, but it doesn't fit in the natural configuration that it's supposed to. Therefore, it really doesn't fit. For instance, let's get a close-up look. Okay, so this is the close-up look of the buttstock, the thumb hole buttstock, as it is attached to the pistol grip and somewhat attached to the end of the buttstock itself. This represents the buttstock here, as you can see. Now, whenever you see images, well, to start with, this band here was actually on the bottom when I first attached it to the air rifle itself, and that is supposed to be, well, at least that's the way it's usually portrayed whenever you see it in images and such. Now, what I did was actually fitted it to the buttstock on the bottom, changed the orientation of this 180 degrees so that this block is, which was once on the bottom, is now on the top. And actually screwed the butt plate into this portion here. And I'm using, for the time being, one of the other screw holes to actually I guess house this small pin that is actually on the end of the thumb hole buttstock. I don't think that's the way it's supposed to be. That's not the way it looks in most of the images that I've seen. There's really nothing that came with the buttstock itself describing how it should be mounted, but this is the way it's mounted on mine for the time being, and I'm not sure whether or not I will keep it this way. I mean, it actually does look pretty decent, but I'll just have to wait and see. The jury's still out. I just assembled this today, and I'm still taking stock of everything that I ordered and assembled for this. Now, this pretty good looking scope is the UTG 3 to 12 power, and it has a 44mm objective, and it also has the range estimating reticle, which you can actually use different colors. There's actually a green and a blue. Let's see if we can show that. See the buttons here. You have green and red, actually, I'm sorry, green and red. Now, this scope was actually supposed to come according to the box, with some scope rings, but it did not. Fortunately, I purchased some scope rings when I bought my accessories for this, and that was the UTG Universal Quick Detach Lock Airgun rings, and you can see those guys there. They work really well for what I've seen so far. Of course, it hasn't been test fired yet, so I'm not sure exactly if they're going to bounce around, but you can actually cinch these guys down pretty good. There's a small screw for with a hex key style head on there, so you can actually change the tension on the actually dovetail. It's not weaver, it's dovetail. So you can actually change the tension on the dovetails, so that when you actually flip the lever to cinch it down, you can do so with pretty good authority and security. So that works really well. And let me just take a second to just detach it, demonstrate. As you can see, there you go. That shows you just how quickly you can detach that. Okay, so let me mount this guy back on the tripod and just remount my remount my scope. Sorry for the shaking. My okay, there you have it. And let me dismount from the tripod once again. And the other accessory was this bipod here. It's a swivel mount, so you can actually kind of rock it from side to side, which I think is fairly cool. And that folds forward, and once again that is another dovetail styled attachment. So that's the Air Force Condor 25 caliber pellet rifle, PCP. With a decent scope, which I don't have it really cinched down. You can see it can turn a little bit. I just want to, when I do decide to sight it in, I want to make sure that the reticle is straight up and down. Yeah, I think I'm going to enjoy shooting this thing. Hopefully. All right, thanks for watching, and let me know what you guys think about my Air Force Condor 25 caliber air rifle, pre-charged pneumatic PCP. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.